back to Big Bert's Adventures. I got something exciting. And so we're gonna open it up and build it today. Kenny thinks I'm crazy, but I gotta get my health under control a little bit. And so I got myself an exercise bike, and we're gonna build it for you. So hope you like it.
Yeah? What do you got in there, buddy? I don't know.
See, there's all these giant staples.
Look at the puppies. There's Lizzie and the puppies. Alright, so we got a real knife here finally. Oh, can't camera that.
Has to do with some kind of electrical part of it.
Hmm.
Okay, well, look at that. There's all the little pieces. Here, I'm just gonna start pulling tape because it's all taped together.
What do we got in there? The toolkit.
Manage all the pieces.
You doing the camera right? Whoa. Alright, so we got something here. More tape. Tape. Here. I'll have anybody I can hand that off to. Okay. All right. Yeah, you're standing right there too. What are we doing?
What are we doing? Putting the bike together.
All right, NordickTrak VU19.
Yeah, I'm excited. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. We've got a toolkit here. Let's see how far that goes. No shots on the back.
Yeah, covered by tape.
Oh.
We don't know what kind of tape they used on this, but whatever it is, if you ever need tape that will not let go of anything,
Call these guys.
they know what to use. Goodness, so funny.
We have the back of the NordickTrak gets this flat one with the steps here, with the wheels facing the back. And then you have step 1 and step 2 and 3 bolts that go through the back here, like that.
There we go. There's one.
There you go. All right, so we're getting the tools out, and you'll just righty-tighty on these guys.
Yeah.
And yes, I do have power tools, but
Not the,
all right.
this side against the frame.
Got a sticker. Let's see how it has the beveled. So then you have your flat feet down here.
Yep. get your big old screws in position.
All right, on step 4, you get your gooseneck. You get your black thing, put it in there before, because it stretches the whole bike. You take your wire, or your wire tie that is stuck. You see that white wire at the bottom there? Tie it to your black string, and then you basically get that tied up, and your wire comes out the top, just like that.
Nice.
And then I would suggest tying this off until you
Need it.
do whatever you're needing with it. But that's step 4, and then we're going to bolt some things in, so we'll show you how that's done. So I recommend holding this up while you're doing the neck bolts. They're a little difficult to get in there. Use the tool, don't cross thread. But there's 2 in the front and 2 in the back side, so don't tighten it all the way down until you get all the bolts lined up. She's super happy about it.
Okay, so we put the seat post in, slid it down, and then this plastic beauty piece, if we basically slid it to one side and then popped it into place. So,
And then you can adjust your seat later.
and now you can adjust the seat height.
Okay.
So that's gonna be great. Okay, so we just put this beauty piece on, and it basically just was the same thing where you had to snap it in one side and then snap it into the other. And then this piece basically just had to be screwed all the way in. So now, if we pull it out, it'll let you, there you go, change your seat height
Okay.
to like
And then you tighten it up afterwards.
wherever you want it, and then you tighten it up, and when you have it tight, you're good to go.
Okay. All right, and then we have step 8 here. So here's your bracket. All right, and you attach the seat to that guy. So here's the seat,
Oh, see?
and then they already have the screws in there, so you have to take the screws out. So with this bracket, you already have the screws in the seat. All right, well, you just put when you take the screws out, then you put the bracket over and you put the screws back in, the bolts back in.
Exactly.
And then we'll show you what happens after that.
Show 'em,
I was
I
not showing how to
guess.
connect the wires, but it's all good. Go ahead and screw that in. Okay, so we have the console in there. You just take your big wire, other wire, clip them together. Take your left and right and feed them through the back here. And then there's 4 Phillips screws. Use a Phillips screwdriver to do that with. And then you'll have this console on. And it does take 2 people, so I'm going to get back on here.
I know what these are now.
Okay. Explain to them what they are now.
Well, we've got the handles to put on.
These are
Don't
pulse.
exactly know how they
These
go on.
These are pulse handles.
Yeah,
And they have
so
wires.
so they have technology
rate.
in them where you can, they'll measure your heart rate.
And then
for
you got your wire right here.
Hmm.
And they hook to these wires back here. So we're going to do that and show you. Okay, well, we hit our first real snag with this NordickTrak thing. The pulse handles have screws here and here and in the front. Well, if you notice, the tool they give you won't fit in here to do full rotations. So you have to do what Laura's doing.
Little half
rotations, and that takes forever. So I recommend, while this is off, go ahead and screw these arms in, and then screw this to the frame, because it's so irritating.
Yeah, it's a pain.
And make sure you keep your wires back here for your right and left and all that.
And you can connect those. It says that in
All
the
right,
steps.
and I'll connect those, and it says in the steps.
You just connect the right to the right.
All right, so we got the back beauty plate on. The front snaps in. This one screws in from the side. We're putting in the cup holder right now, which have 2 screws. And then we're going to put the pedals on next. and finish installing this screen holder. We'll show you when we get done. Okay, so we got the tablet, book, whatever holder on the top here. Laura's going to put on the pedals. This will be the final step. Oh, that's what that wrench is for in the packet. So,
So I'm gonna have to
wrench.
hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll hold that guy.
Silence. I don't know. There we go. Maybe. Ta-da!
Yep. Okay, she's gonna do that again.
Ta-da!
All right, let's do this right this time, lady.
So then,
You
what?
stick that into the other way. There you go. No. See where it's square and skinny? There you go. You felt it, right? And then turn this way, other way. There you go.
I have to go this way?
Yep. It's lefty tighty when you're doing pedals.
Okay.
Just remember that, folks.
Yep, you gotta do it opposite to what you think you're gonna do.
There you go. And then use the wrench. And we got the left pedal going on.
Which is backwards, so
Which
that's
is backwards.
weird.
Very important. All right, so we'll show you more when we get this thing plugged in and get some sweat coming down. We register the machine, so we'll tear that off. Whoa. All right, there's that register machine, please, ma'am. And then we got the screen going on here. Is it a touch screen? Ooh, it's got a camera on it too. Look at that.
Oh man.
Look at your fat ass. Huh? Where's that sweat?
Right. Oh, you can definitely see it there. Good grief.
Looks like it's booting up. Looks like there's more plastic we can remove.
Mm-hmm.
It's this outside. Oh. Yeah.
Beautiful. More down here too.
Man, I'd hate to unplug it. Look at that thing taking forever to boot up. I think it hooks to the Wi-Fi too.
It does. I just don't know all the details about how to get that part set up. So it has a few levels. Kenny's gonna set up the Wi-Fi.
Maybe. It's like
There you go.
you're not okay.
Yeah, I'm not recording. I'm recording your concentrating face. Look how cute he is.
I was the last one on the rack, so.
Oh, that's definitely not true.
Okay, it's hooking up.
Yay!
First thing it wanted to do.
Hook to the Wi-Fi.
That's right. Select units of measurement. We're in America.
Yep, America.
And we're not on the eastern mountain.
Lovely.
We can.
There you go.
Alright. Now here's the paid promotion. So you got
harder
Bluetooth.
and smarter.
you have sound, all these settings. You have the swivel back and forth tablet holder.
Tap to start.
You have your-
oh, funny. So
your
yeah, then I can do login.
Pre-record stuff so you can do exercises. You have your pulse handles. You got your
What's audio?
FAC
oh, I can
here.
hook my.
You can hook your Bluetooth.
I can hook
And
my
you have a
music
tray
to
in
my.
here to put your stuff on. There's a giant speaker. You got your headphones.
Oh my
Yeah.
word!
All kinds of stuff.
That is
You can
insane.
turn your volume. So you have your manual switches too, but you also have your screen switches, which is touch.
Oh, this is your resistance.
Oh, and your resistance,
magnetic
yeah.
resistance.
Okay,
You
this
just
is your
plus
resistance.
plus and minus.
This is your volume for your yeah.
Ah,
And then you have your,
and
fan
control.
setting. And then you have your resistance. This is the VU19 NordickTrak bike.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Laura and Kenny saying, this is how this is done.
This is how you put it together.
So we'll show you some results later. And it's just a sneak peek of Laura using her new NordickTrak straight from the factory.
Straight from
Got a
the
great
factory.
discount on it, so they took pity on our weight. But Laura's gonna have a good time. She'll have some entertainment. She'll sit in here in the front room, which we don't really use, and enjoy
bike.
some and get some.
Get some.
All right. Well, thanks for watching Big Bert's Adventures. We'll do some side videos for the NordickTrak.
Oh yeah.
So, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. It's
Big
free.
Bert's Adventures. It's what?
It's free. Like, share, and subscribe. It's free. Big Bert's Adventures.